All right, day 10. Let's talk about something that absolutely wrecks new traders. The fake breakout. You know the one, right? That classic trap that looks so good right before it flips on you. But hey, by the end of this, you're gonna have a simple, rock-solid strategy to sidestep that trap and start trading like a pro. Let's get into it. Yeah, this one probably stings a little, right? Most beginners lose money chasing breakouts. I mean, let's be real, we've all been there. You see that price just exploding upwards, that FOMO kicks in hard, your heart's racing, you smash that buy button, and then, boom, the bottom falls out. Look, that's not just bad luck. It is a very deliberate trap, and it works time and time again, because most of us were never shown how to tell the difference between a real move and just a market head fake. Okay, so let's break this down. When a price hits a key level, it's basically at a crossroads. It can only do one of two things. You've got the real breakout, it pushes through, comes back down to tap that old ceiling and make sure it's a new floor, that's your retest, and then it takes off. That's the pro move. Then you've got the fake out, a nasty spike straight up, followed by an even nastier crash straight down. Our entire job, our whole focus, is to learn how to stay off that second road. So, why do we keep falling for it? Honestly, it's all in our heads. It is pure psychology. You see those giant green candles stacking up, and that little voice in your head, that FOMO, it just screams, go, go, go. And just like that, your entire strategy goes right out the window. You're convinced this is it, the one you can't miss. It's 100% emotion, 100% impulse, and it is the exact opposite of how a professional trader thinks. And this right here, this is maybe the biggest mental shift you will ever make as a trader. Seriously. See, beginners are always asking, how can I win more? But the pros, they're asking, how do I lose less? It's a total game changer. They know that protecting your money is rule number 1, 2, and 3. A winning strategy isn't about hitting home runs every single time. It's about making sure you never, ever strike out so badly that you're out of the game. Okay, so how do we actually do this? How do we trade like a pro? We use a system, a simple checklist that takes the emotion right out of it. Here it is. Step 1, you find and mark a strong, obvious level, a ceiling or a floor that the price has bounced off of before. Easy enough. Step 2, you wait for a candle to close above that line. And I mean close, not just a little wick poking through. The whole body of the candle needs to finish above your level. Step 3, look for a volume spike. We want to see a lot of people participating in this move. Step 4, and listen up, because this is the key. You enter on the retest. We do not chase the green candle. We wait for it to come back down and touch our line again. That's our entry. And finally, step 5, set your stop loss just below that breakout level. That's your safety net. All right, let's put the fake breakout under the microscope. Once you know what to look for, these things stick out like a sore thumb. First, check the volume. If it's weak, or even worse, decreasing on the breakout, that is a massive red flag. Next, notice how it never comes back for that retest. It just shoots up and then immediately falls apart. It looks like a sharp spike, not a real move. It fails to hold that new ground. That's not strength, folks. That's the market running out of steam. Now look at this. This is the total opposite. This is the A+ setup we are patiently waiting for. See that? Strong, powerful volume confirming the move, the price pushes through, comes back to that old level, and it holds. It finds support right where it's supposed to. That hold is our green light. What follows isn't just a spike. It's the beginning of a real healthy trend. This is what we trade. So if you take one thing away from this today, let it be this. This is the golden rule. I'm serious. Write this down, put it on a sticky note on your screen. Don't chase candles, wait for confirmation. That's it. Your job isn't to be the first person into a trade. Your job is to be the smartest person in the trade, the one who waits for all the signs to line up. And that means waiting for confirmation. So what do I mean by confirmation? It's not a gut feeling. It's not a guess. It's evidence. It's a simple 3-part checklist. 1, did a candle close above the level? 2, was there a big increase in volume? And 3, the big one, did it come back, retest the level, and successfully hold it? If you can't check all 3 of those boxes, there is no trade, period. So, at the end of the day, this is the question you have to ask yourself every single time you see a price breaking out. Spike or retest? Which one are you going to trade? Are you going to be the person who gambles on that emotional spike? Or are you going to be the pro who waits patiently for the confirmed retest? I promise you, your P&L is going to tell you exactly which one you've been choosing. Look, it all boils down to one simple truth. Patience saves money. Chasing those candles, that's a game you're almost guaranteed to lose over time. But waiting for your setup, waiting for that confirmation, that is how you build a real lasting career in trading. So practice that patience. I'll see you back here for day 11.